Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Paadham organization. Paadham organization is conducting an online summer camp for the children between the ages of 5 to 15 years. The activities which are included in this camp are handwriting, coloring and painting, dancing, fun with phonics, meditation, yogasanas, healthy recipes, slokas, storytelling, art and crafts, Pranayamas, prayers. And this camp commences on 2nd May to 31st May. The timings are 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Paadham organization is offering all the activities to the children within a reasonable amount of 1000 rupees only. With this camp, your child will surely develop new skills and mold his personality physically and mentally. Utilize this wonderful opportunity at a reasonable amount price and to engage your child in the summer time. Limited seats. Please hurry up. For registration, call or WhatsApp to 630-330-6297 or 93-921-87954. Thank you.